5, take a chow, feel the vibe. Take 5, come alive. Welcome to Take 5 Slang English Chat Room.
Welcome back to the Take 5 Slang and Idioms Chat Room. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Mark. We are so glad you're here to level up your English with us.
Today, we're talking about a phrase we use every single day. When someone does something great, what do you say?
Usually, I just say, good job. It's easy, right?
It is easy, but it can get a bit boring. If you want to sound more like a native speaker or show extra excitement, you need to level up.
I'm ready. Let's see what's on the menu today.
Let's look at our 3 levels of praise. Level 1 plain. Good job or well done. Level 2 idiom. You hit the nail on the head. Level 3 slang. You killed it.
Wait, you killed it? That sounds dangerous, Lisa.
Laughs, I promise it's a good thing. In slang, killing it means you performed perfectly or had a huge success.
Oh, I get it. Like if I give a great presentation, you'd say, Mark, you killed it.
Exactly. And for our natural flavor bonus today, we have the word crushing. As in, you are crushing it lately. It means you are doing consistently great work.
Okay, it's time for the study buddy. This is where you practice with me. I'll say the phrase, and then there will be a 5-second pause for you to repeat it out loud. Don't be shy. Let's start with level 1. Repeat after me. You did a great job on that project. Now, level 2. Use the idiom. You really hit the nail on the head with that answer. Now, level 3. Let's use that slang. Bro, you killed it on stage tonight. Finally, the natural flavor bonus. Keep going, you're absolutely crushing it.
Now, let's hear how these sound in real conversations. Listen for the levels.
Lisa, what did the boss think of my marketing report?
She loved it. She said you really hit the nail on the head regarding why our sales are up.
Whew, I'm glad I was right.
Wow, Mark. That workout was intense, but you didn't stop once.
Thanks. I've been training hard.
Seriously, you killed it today. You're the strongest person in class.
Hey Lisa, I saw your new video. It's a good job. Very clear.
Just a good job?
No, actually, you killed it. The editing is amazing and your advice hit the nail on the head. You're crushing it as a creator.
Great energy, Mark. Now, for our culture tip. In English-speaking cultures, especially in the US, we use you killed it or crushing it for almost anything sports, music, or even just a good outfit. It's very high-energy praise.
I love that. It makes me feel like a superstar.
You are a superstar. And for our listeners, here is your Take 5 task. Go to the comments and tell us about a time you killed it. Did you pass a test? Did you cook a great meal?
Right. I killed it when and finish the sentence.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a chat.
See you in the next one. Keep crushing it.
Bye!